enjoy second comers.
Yeah, second comers.
Anong tawag din, ma'am, yung parang second honor?
Honorary mentions.
Ano po yung, siguro may mga dumating na to.
Yeah. Because I can do it.
Blank space, baby.
Yeah.
Shake it off.
Me red. So what was that? Passing with my bird.
Red, I love red too.
Bird and red. Baby! Hi!
Yeah, the sopas is
You
here.
know what? No need for me to find a place because I can hear your voice.
It's also Jordan's housewarming.
Of you not doing that part because I intentionally chose an English.
Thank you.
Ang palangayan sa bawat nilalang You know.
Kumusta ka naman dyan, Mamsi? Okay ka na naman?
Jordan, hitin ko to ah.
Kain muna ako.
Pakain mo tayo natin para.
Mamsi! Karating pa lang itong dalawang to. Sabay kami.
Yan.
Oh, my Krispy Kreme.
Hi!
I love
Mukha natin nasa TikTok ulit lang.
Oh nga eh.
Hello guys, first time kami Trish sa Hanayama.
Here's on the brulee!
Dito kami sa bahay ni Jordan.
I don't know, it disappeared.
Yan.
Tagal nyo ng sabaw ni.
Yes, very
Have you
excited
tasted iron
na.
sopas before, Kim? Iron sopas.
Because it's always chicken.
Ako na to girl ah.
Di, kasi nga, minsan din yung brain mo.
Nababastusan ako pag
Ako ba? Kahit banana, hindi mo na talaga.
I love banana girl.
Yeah, di ba?
Are you okay?
Like this could come out.
I think. Sige na.
Ano yan?
Yan o.
Ano si Ram?
Yes. Ano ba to si Ram? Ay,
Disclaimer na, hindi ka pa.
Papunta na yun, papunta na.
Opo.
Oh, sorry, you can taste
So yan, it's Jordan's housewarming.
Next time I will
Happy
recreate,
birthday to
fish
you.
sopas.
Can you eat chikwa?
What is that? Yeah, yeah.
Chikwa?
Parang mga ganto-ganto.
Tsaka iba din yung door niya, Ma'am Shi. It's parang push and pull.
Guys!
Guys!
The
kasi
fried stuff is
sliding.
here. The capsule sauce is here. Kain mo na, kain mo na. Yes, anybody? Come on.
Yum.
Ice cup. Wala. Bahala ka.
Hand wash. Or anything na pwedeng kahit
This soap.
kahit soap okay na rin.
Sa'yo to. Ayun yung sa akin. Okay.
Di ba? Thank you kay Jordan kasi nga. Ano siya, dito talaga ka. Ha?
English mo.
Pakain mo na akong mga
Central 8 first, Daddy.
Mama.
She needs energy to because it's Saturday, it's not work day for her.
I already did my job. That's the below, the voices.
Oh, yeah. So you helped her already.
I don't know if it's voices or whisper. The below.
Whisper, be.
Whisper.
The whisper. Okay, whisper. I changed my I said voices. Whisper pala. I said right, whisper.
Yeah, hey my friend, listen to
Are you doing the donut? Don't do the donut. Not, ay, ano.
Wow, ano ba?
Lemon ginger honey soda.
Lakas mga-cocktail. Sige, game.
Ang sarap!
Kakaoy mo, B.
Wow, ang sarap na!
Ilang amount?
Pang
Even the kids, when they saw it this morning, were like, oh, there's
Tapos namin. Tapos we have Krispy Kreme. Yan ang pao.
Thank you for the food.
Yeah. Amazing.
Sige, sa inyo na yan. Ano lang ako?
Reveal the other one. What's the other one?
Actually, don't know what to bring, but
We love you. We love everyone.
Pero ayaw yata sa akin pa bukas eh.
Bigyan lang siya, Ma'am Shi.
Like we all just arrived.
In-underestimate mo ba yung aking kakayanan?
Piling up.
You just have to lift it. Yeah.
Oh, sige nga. Apakagagaling nyo ah. Sige, buksan nyo.
Balak ko na i-recycle ang bag.
Yes! Gusto ko siyang gawing bag.
Sabi kasi nang bumili, sirain na daw.
Same as the same.
Ayoko ng ganyan. Ayoko ng
Guys! Boy, Glaze!
The green.
this one.
Ay, original original place, bitches.
Yeah, this one. So good, so good, so good.
Sobrang sarap. Naubos ka na di for love video. Ano sa'yo? Yung? Original. I don't like that. Para lang siyang normal. Ito talaga, oh, the feeling. Look at the feeling. It's coming out. May milk.
Jordan, pwede.
Okay, then use my...
Hi! Ang ganda nung parang sa hotel tayo.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, yes, right.
Hi! Let's show everyone.
Yeah.
Wait, napaki...
Moshi, nakarating ka din. At hindi ka nawala, B. Akala nga nila bukas ka pa daw. Sabi ko, hindi. Dahil tumating ka, mas... Dahil tumating ka, mas...
Wala siya putol. Under. Kaya ba?
Namshi, say hi to my TikTok.
Hi, TikTok.
This is actually Trash Alto from
The Philippines.
the Philippines. Where exactly from the Philippines?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. And this is also Ma'am Shingadan, our leader in the soprano group. Where are you from?
I'm from Silang, Cavite.
Where is your flag? Cavite. Cavite naman. Where are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Siargao City. A bobo, may city sa Siargao.
Bakit? Ngayon sa Saudi. Hello guys. Welcome to... Sinabi mo ano muna?
I'm from
Saan ka galing?
from Pasig City.
Raise your hand. I'm from the city of Red. Cotabato City. Red ba?
The city where it's always flooded. Parañaque City. Palitan mo si Oliver. Jordan, where are you from? Ang saya.
Where are you from sa Pilipinas?
Magkasama ba kayo, Jordan?
From Cordova.
I'm from Mandala City, Cebu, Philippines.
Ang bahay niya.
Can you show?
Can you show?
Yes, I was show.
Let's make a house tour of Jordan's
This
home.
is actually the
Yeah.
and the owner of the house, the host of ang may-ari din, sinabi niya, bahay niya daw to. Ewan ko ba? Late pa nga siya, pinakit pa ang bahay.
Senyora! Kumusta?
Nakita mo ang Corazon? Napanood mo? Napanood mo ang Corazon? Panoorin mo. Si Eric. Gonzales.
Tapon dito ha, bakla
Ayaw talaga namin uminom, pero pinilit ko kami ng namin.
Isang plato. Baso.
Raise your flag for the world. Bakit sa?
Tuloy lang ang laban.
Tapos pwede nang takas lyrics yan.
The last line that we're gonna sing is "Be proud and raise your flag." Raise your flag, raise your flag. So it's like a. Why duck face? Kon balot. That's the may run that. Really? Yes, run that there.
Sorry guys, pangit.